Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to say you about very interesting topic as is related handling unit management in SAP PP, especially in repetitive manufacturing. You will walk through from what handling units is, how to enable handling unit management in storage location, and the main flow process, and how to execute it in the SAP. Let's get started. First of all, we need to know what handling unit is. Handling unit is a logical unit. It is a combination of a physical containers and material inside that containers. And why? Why you have to use handling unit? First, in real world logistics, products are stored and shipped by pallet, not by piece. Second is better accuracy and control over stock. Three, it is support strong traceability and quality control. Fourth, it is support barcode scanning. Fifth, it is easy integrate smoothly with other modules like WM, EWN, or WMS. And the slide is about handling unit management example. And as you can see, you can admit that the whole slide presents V&EE plant, and it had 4 storage locations corresponding to assembly storage location, confirmed storage location, finished good storage location, and partner finished goods storage location, and other analog assembly, and it had 3 center, and after 3 center, the finished goods will be conducted, and it will confirm at confirmed storage location. Until it reaches the maximum is fine. We will consider to move it and pack it with a pallet. The yellow rectangle presents a pallet with the maximum container is 5 pieces, and I can name the HU is 1. If you want to move from confirmed storage location to finished good storage location, you have to move on the handling unit to the storage. As you can see, the pallet it have 5 pieces, and if you want to take on a engines in 5 engine in the HU1, you need to destroy this, and it will be moved to the partner finished good loss. If you want to return it back to finished good storage to move other location, you have to pack it again like this, 1 piece in 1 pallet. It will be named HU number 2, and the other pallet will be HU number E3, and it has the 4 remained pieces. When you want to turn it back, you just turn it back as normal. This is how process HU management. This is the agenda of all the things I will say you today. The first one is how to enable storage location in SAP. To enable HU requirements for storage location, you have to go to IMG part, the detail part like this, and you press execute, and you press on the plan you want to, and the plan is VNEE, and press on this and press on storage location. The next screen will be displayed like this, and we want to focus on analog VIP. We want to enable HU management in VIP, and we want to set up partner storage location, and it will be VPFV. and the S-log VPFV we will not enable HU management on that storage location. The system not allow for loose stock. On the good need to include in HU, and when you destroy the HU, the stock will be come back to partner as log. This is how to enable HU management for finished goods storage location. And the second part is the how to set up packing material type and packing material group. To define packing material type, you can IMG part like this, or you can use T-code to define the packing material. And you can see the packing type I want to create here is MT20 with HU5 engine. You will go to same direction with define material group for packing material, and the material group for packing material is will be MT00 is palette for engine. And how to assign material type per material group? Go to same direction and you will see the function will be named define low packing material, and you can see one group can matching to so many packing material type, and in here we want to focus on material group MT00 with MT20. You already know how to configure packing material type and packing material group, how to assign it with each other. And next we will go to the how to set up number range for HU. As you can see, this is the table of handling unit. It has the table, and as you can see, we can see that HU had two number. It is internal HU number. It is used by SAP. You cannot see with the HU T-code. The number is not displayed except in the table. The number 2 is this external handling unit, and with the different node, we have to set different number range. With the internal HU node, you can use T-code VNKP to define number range for the internal unit node, and you can use HUEX to define number range for external handling unit. And next, to assign external identification to the packing material type. And as you can see, we want to focus on packing material type MT20, and the number range we want to assign is the 01 external handling unit, and the number range will be matching here. So the slide already show you how to define number range for HU and how to assign it to its packing type material. And next slide we will go to how to create packing material with MM01. The next slide we will go to the how to create packing material with material type EMT01 and material group EMT00. You need to create with MM01 and the material we want to create is the palette with spine engine. So I will name the material e-palette file. And in the industry sector, you can choose marketing energy, and material type you can choose VERP packing. And the plant we want to create it is plant VNEE. After that, you tick V, and next window will be displayed like this. And you can choose basic data 1. You choose the basic unit measure. In the packing material data, you choose MC00. Next view is the cell general plant. In the view, we will choose packing group EMC00 and packing material type EMC20. After enter all required information I mentioned above, we press Save to create the material. And next, we will go to the HU management process flow. HU management flow we will have 5 main transactions. We will go to the first one. We will MFBF with a serial number 70. This is a screen of MFBF. After filling on the required information, you press Save. The system will brought to a screen for you to enter the serial number 70. And after that, the system will create successfully GR with document. You can come back HU03 to check the serial number, and you can see that the document already in history of the serial. The movement 131 will be like this. And second transaction is you can use HU02 to create HU empty, HU14. And this is the screen of HU02. Use packing HU. Under the packing material, you enter the packing material palette file. You press Save. The system will have a message like this that notifies that the HU is created successfully. After create successfully, you can check the HU number 14, and after that, it will be displayed like this. And you can choose the HU number, you tick B, and you tick the glass. It will display the detail, and you will see the detailed information of handling unit blank. This means that the HU14 is pretty empty. And next, we will use HU02 to pack the serial number 70 to empty HU14. You enter the handling unit. You want to pack in serial number, so the material of the serial number is 1U0. So you enter 1U0 in the under material, and you enter the number of material in here with the storage location is confirmed. After that, you choose on the material and the handling unit, and in the header menu, you choose Edit, press Pack, and press Pack again. The system will be display a message like this: material was packed. Now you need to insert the serial number so you need to double click on handling unit again, and the next screen will display like this. On the tab Content, you press on the line 1 and press serial nodes. Next screen will be displayed for you to enter the serial number 70. After tick your case, you press Save. The system will notify you that handling unit change, you already assign the serial successfully to the handling unit. And next flow is this, you can use HUMO to transfer location, finished goods storage location, and we will still use the HU number 14. The HU14 is at confirm as log. So that means if you want to move to finished goods storage location, you have to execute like this. You choose the HU number you want to move. An example is 14, and you tick V like this. And in the header menu, you choose edit to change HU posting and choose storage locations for. You choose VAP. B, the system will notify that the packing is set and the material document were correct. You successful to transfer as logged successfully. And you can check again with serial number 17 in HU03. You can see the material changed successfully from confirm as log to the finish as log with the movement time 311. And final transaction is destroy HU. You also use HUMO to destroy HU number 17. And you choose it like this. And in the menu header, you choose edit and to delete HU. The next screen to confirm you really want to delete handling unit, you say yes. The log for the action delete HU will be like this. It notifies that document is correct and with the number like this. And also you can check serial number again with HU03, the material here, that you can see when you destroy it will move to the S-log partner finished good like this with movement time 311. That's all for the share today. Please like, share and subscribe. You can check other videos about SAP PP. You can check here. See you in next video. Bye bye.